Urugamiriri wa ruhonge ruru uria urekinyitie kwaraniria na arimi na thirikari ya kaunti ya Laikipia ni ukinyiririe ritana ria kuria arimi aria mayukirie ngombo kuma ruhonge ruru gukorwo magicokia ngombo icio.
Kuna hii mifugo naongea juu yake.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa ruhonge ruru Franklin Bet, namba nene ya arimi mathiete na mbere na kwaga kuriha mathire mao, undu uria ungithararia uruti wa wira ruhonge-ini rwa urimi.
We finance livestock, we finance crops. And when we say livestock, it is not only cattle, it includes pigs, it includes bees, and you can name any other chicken.
Lakini wakulima lazima tujifunze kufanya kazi kwa bidii na tujifunze kuheshimu kulipa mikopo ambayo tunachukua. Hakuna cha bure.
Kuna ngombo ici itikoragwo na njoherera cia iguru na ire na uhotho kwigwatirwo, arimi ni moritio gutigagirira ni meyandikithia kwimathira kigina giki niguo kwirugamirira urimi-ini wao.
Take note, as a farmer, we are inspecting them every time they take a facility from us, and we inspect them for the simple reason that they undertake to do what they applied for the loan, so that people do not divert the loans they have taken from us.
Mwena-ini wake gavana wa kaunti ino Nderitu Muriithi ni aranire kunyitirira arimi kuma kaunti ino makiria hari urimi wa mai.
We do need to embrace irrigated agriculture. I'm pleased to report to you that in Laikipia, in a period of 2 years, we have moved from 250 hectares to 3,750 hectares, which is an increase of over 14 times.
Kwa ihinda ri ruhonge ruru rutanyite kuhura njeki arimi hari urimi wa kuhuthira mai, kuona mbura ya kimera ikoretwo igicererwo kana kwaga kuigana mahinda kwa mahinda. Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya wonjoria ya Kameme TV, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.